Welcome to another BookingKoala tutorial. If you don't have BookingKoala yet, be sure to get it from the link below and follow along step by step. If you're new here, we have lots of tutorials about BookingKoala on our channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can easily find us whenever you need help with BookingKoala.
In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to remove or change the Give $50, Get $50. So, if you want to remove or change the Give $50, Get $50 message in the welcome email sent to the new customers in BookingKoala, follow these steps. Open the settings. Look for Notifications option and click on it. Find the section labeled Master Templates and hover your cursor over it. So, locate the template specifically meant for customers' emails and select it. Now edit the template by replacing the image related to the 50% off offer with your own logo. By following these instructions, you will be able to remove or modify the Give $50, Get $50 offer message in the welcome email sent to new customers. After you change the logo, don't forget to click Save, and then that's all. Thank you for watching.
If you are interested in a simple-to-use cleaning business app, check out Clean CRM. Right now, you can try it out for free for 30 days.